Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME 14 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera. And currently we are in the standard photo mode, so all we have to do is to tap on this 3 bars icon in the right upper corner, and let's take a look at this bar with the timer. We've got 3 different options, so off, 3 and 10 seconds delay. Let me choose 10 seconds delay. As you can see, it will be immediately highlighted. It is also visible in the shutter button. So then let's tap on it, and from now on your device will count down from 10 or 3 depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Alright, of course you can also turn it off. Just enter the 3 bars icon and tap on off, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.